In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix Instagram highlight not showing up and how you can fix Instagram highlight disappeared. Now before proceeding, I would recommend you that please check that your story has not been hidden from Instagram application settings. So open your Instagram application, tap on the three line that is on the right in top, then go to settings, then tap on privacy, and here you have to tap on story. And just make sure that the story has not been hidden to anyone. Okay, once you are done, you can go back. Next, what you need to assure that your Instagram application is up to date. So you can open Play Store and then look for Instagram. And here if you get an option of update like me, then you have to tap on update, let the application get updated. And after that, check again if your problem has been fixed and Instagram highlight option is showing or not. In case if this also doesn't work for you, next what you can do, open your settings, scroll down and look for apps or application manager. Then go to manage apps. In the search box, you have to look for Instagram. So type Instagram, open it. Now here at the bottom, you find an option of clear data. If you do not find here, then you can go to storage and then you will find the option of clear data. So tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache and then restart your Instagram application and see that if the problem has been fixed. Now in case if this also doesn't work for you, then you need to come back to the same option, then tap on clear all data, and after that you will get an option of uninstall. Tap on uninstall, tap on OK. Once the Instagram application will be uninstalled, again go back to Play Store and download Instagram application again. After that, you can re-log in and see. I'm very sure that this will be surely fixing the problem. Now in case if this also doesn't work for you, then you have to download the older version of Instagram application. So for that, you will be getting a link in the description. You need to come to this website. And here you get an option of download. But before downloading it, just make sure that you have uninstalled Instagram application. So uninstall, come to this website, download it, the setup will be downloaded, you have to run it and log in with your account, and I'm very sure that now Instagram highlight option will be visible. So that's all guys, hopefully this complete list of solution will surely help you, and if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.